In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Microsoft Authenticator Transfer QR Code Cloud Backup Guide. We're going to back up your current Authenticator and then restore it on a new device using the same personal Microsoft account. This approach securely carries your accounts and settings over so you don't have to re-add them one by one. Start on the phone that already has your codes. Open the Microsoft Authenticator app and let it load your existing accounts. Make sure you have a stable internet connection since the backup will sync to the cloud. Next, tap the menu icon and go to Settings, find Cloud Backup, and toggle it on. On some phones, this saves to your Microsoft Cloud. On others, it may use the platform's native backup. Either way, it securely stores your account list and app settings. Keep the app open for a moment so it can complete the first sync. A quick tip, if your device supports it, enable a screen lock or biometric unlock. Authenticator may require it to protect your data, and it helps keep your backup secure. Now, confirm which personal Microsoft account is listed for the backup. This is important. The same account must be used when you restore. Take a moment to double check you recognize it and that you'll have access on your new phone. If something looks off, switch to the correct account before moving on so your backup lands in the right place. On your new phone, install and open the Microsoft Authenticator app from the official App Store. Make sure you're using the latest version so recovery goes smoothly. You don't need to add any accounts manually here. When you see the welcome screen, tap Begin Recovery at the bottom before trying to sign in anywhere else. Sign in with the exact same personal Microsoft account you confirmed earlier. After you authenticate, Authenticator will find your cloud backup and start restoring your accounts. Give it a moment to populate the list. You may see prompts to approve a sign-in or verify your identity. Go ahead and follow them. That's normal during recovery and helps reestablish trust on the new device. At this point, your accounts and settings should be back. Some work or school accounts may ask for an extra confirmation the first time you use them, and certain passwordless or push approval features might need you to confirm a prompt when they appear. Keep your old phone handy until you've successfully signed in to the services you use most, just in case you need to reference a code. And that's it. With Cloud Backup enabled and Begin Recovery completed, your Microsoft Authenticator is safely transferred to your new device.